the project is all about helping nature. So seagrass, you see, there is a lot of species of seagrass in Thailand. One in particular we're interested in is called the inhalers or tape seagrass, which is the one you can see here. This is the tape seagrass, and this seagrass is extremely important for the biodiversity of the marine life in Panga Bay. First of all, it's a nursery for many species, and seagrass absorb 20 times more carbon dioxide than land plants. So it's very important. So you see, seagrass is a plant. Like every plant, they have flowers and seeds. So what we do, we look for the flower which have the seeds inside, and we find one here. So you see, this is the seagrass, and here we have a fruit. You see the fruit attached to the string? This is the fruit of the seagrass. Inside this fruit, we have seeds, about 7 to 8 seeds. When the fruit opens, the seeds will fall on low tide on the sand. Then they will float until the low tide goes down, and the seeds will go in the mud and grow. Now during that time, of course, the seeds, they are eaten by birds, crabs, fish. So what we do, right now you will see, I will open the fruit, we will collect the seeds, put them in seawater, bring them to Koya Paradise Resort, where we have a collaboration with this resort, and we do the nursery. We will put the seeds in the aquarium, you will see later, and we will let the seeds have roots, grow a little bit for 1 month. And in 1 month, we are bringing back here the seeds to plant them. Thanks to that, the 7 or 8 seeds that normally in nature, only maybe 1 or 2 will not be eaten and produce another seagrass, the entire seeds that are inside here will have a chance, because they will grow in aquarium first, and then we will bring them back here. And we do this project with guests of the resort and also the local school here. So we mix, people coming on holiday in Thailand, the local community, to help to learn about the seagrass and to grow more area for seagrass, because seagrass meadow is extremely important for the marine life, and that's the solution to reduce ocean acidification, because it will absorb the carbon dioxide. So we are back now in Koya Paradise Resort, where we have our little place for the seagrass nursery. You can see here all the explanation about why it is important to help seagrass and to make a nursery. We have the aquarium here. So this is the fruit that we collected earlier before. So you can see I open it, and inside we have the seeds. So the seeds have a little coat on it. We take off the coat. You see the seeds here? Now I have a seed, perfect seed. Okay, this is ready to go. We're going to put this. So normally this one floats in the water. At the low tide, it sinks on the mud, but before it sinks on the mud, it's eaten by birds and crabs and fish. So we're going to take the seed now, drop it in the aquarium. It will sink, and we will keep them here 1 month. And after 3 weeks, they're going to start to grow roots. And after months, here go another one. After months, we will replant them in the same place we find them, to expand the area, to expand the middle of the seagrass, to grow more. So this is the whole project. You can see there's about 7 and 8 seeds per fruit. So we do this, and then together with the clientele of the resort, in addition also with the kids from the Koya elementary school and secondary school, we're going to grow the seagrass and replant them. We're going to go often there to replant and expand the meadow, the seagrass meadow. So there is the part that is the education part about the seagrass, that not a lot of people know, that how important are the seagrass to capture, to absorb the carbon dioxide. This is very important. So this is what we do. This is our seagrass nursery. You can see the seeds sinking, they will float there. We will change the water every week. This is seawater, nothing more to do, and then they will start to have roots, and then we will replant them in the mud.